Have you bought your first rental property but are unsure about the next steps? This video breaks down essential property management concepts and rental terminology to help you navigate the process with confidence. A homeowners association is an organization that manages common areas and enforces rules in planned communities or condominiums. Members pay fees and must follow established rules at risk of fines if they are not met. Homeowners insurance protects against damage to your property and liability for injuries that occur on your premises and is likely required for a mortgage. Property tax is an annual tax levied by local governments based on your property's assessed value that funds schools, roads, and other municipal services. Rent roll is a detailed list of all tenants, their lease terms, rental rates, security deposits, and lease expiration dates, and is crucial for evaluating a property's income potential and tenant stability. Rent concessions are incentives offered by landlords or property managers to attract or retain tenants, often in the form of reduced rent or waived fees. A lease assignment is a legal transfer where a tenant passes all lease rights and responsibilities to a new tenant. A lease termination fee is a charge levied when a tenant ends a lease agreement before its natural expiration date. Lastly, a ground lease, also known as a land lease, is a long-term agreement where a landowner leases land to a tenant for a specified period for the purpose of developing the land. Owning rental property can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With EisnerAmper's expert guidance, you can streamline the process and maximize your investment potential.